Hi friends, this video shows how to install Amazon Prime Video app in Kids Profile. Let me go to top left corner and select Switch Accounts. Then select one Kids profile. Let me select Kids Kid 2. See, now I am in Kids Profile Kid 2. Go to top left corner, select Settings. Enter profile password. Go down, set Manage Apps. Here you can see list of kids apps from Google Play. If you go down here, you can find all apps that already installed in this device. I already installed Amazon Prime Video app in parent profile that you can see here, Prime Video. I am going to install this Prime Video app in this kids profile. Let me select Prime Video, then select allow. Done. So now I have installed Prime Video app in kids profile. Let me verify. Go to home screen. See, here you can see Prime Video app. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.